Yo, what's going on, guys? This is TJ Pedro, and I'm back with another video. And guys, we did it. 100 subs on the channel. 2019 goal is complete. Thank you guys so much. Can't thank you enough. But I'll thank you guys again at the end. But let's just get right into the video. And Greg Bird has now been injured. He injured a bone that's like beneath the heel, like in your foot. I don't know the exact name of the injury, but what I can say is he'll be out for a while. And now, this is a big deal because I've been calling for the Yankees to give up on Greg Bird numerous times over this year and last year. It's enough at this point. Now that we have Voit, once Stanton comes back, there's no need for Greg Bird on this roster. And so now the Yankees have a big excuse to get rid of him. He's been injured far too many times, so he's injury prone. Not his fault, but at the same time when he comes back, he's also hitting 180, not giving us any offensive production, and then striking out 4 times. And he's not even that stellar on defense. He has his moments, but he's not that great on defense. I feel like him and Voit are the similar on defense, but Voit brings a lot more to the table at the plate than Bird does. And so I feel like Bird deserves the boot at this point. If he's going to be successful, that's great. But I don't see it happening in New York. And hopefully Brian Cashman and that management group can figure that out sooner rather than later. But anyways, guys, it was just a quick video updating you on the Greg Bird situation. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like down below. If you're new here, hit that sub button. I already hit my goal for 2019, but let's set a new goal. Maybe try and aim for 150 to 200 subs at some point this year. That would be insane. It's still early, so it's possible. Let's make it happen. Thank you guys again. You guys are the real MVPs. If you're new here, hit that sub button. And I'm out of here.